In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to Notion from a Google search, sign in, and edit a database template so every new entry starts with the right structure. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Notion. You're looking for the official result that reads, Notion, the AI workspace that works for you. This phrasing helps you confirm you're clicking the legitimate site. Go ahead and select that result to open Notion's homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login option, usually at the top right. Click it, then sign in using your preferred method. After you're in, make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you have access to more than one. You'll want to be on the page or database where you plan to update the template. Inside your database, find the New button at the top of the database view. This could be in a table, board, list, calendar, or gallery. Right next to New, there's a small arrow. Click that arrow. This opens the Template and Creation menu for your database, where you can choose from existing templates or manage how new pages are created. In the menu that appears, locate the template you want to work with. Each template typically has a three-dot menu next to its name. Click those three dots to reveal more options. This is where Notion groups actions like duplicating, renaming, or editing the template. It's a simple menu, but it's the doorway to customizing how your database behaves. Choose Edit to open the template in full. You'll now see a page that represents the default content for new entries using this template. Here's where you can refine the structure. Adjust properties in the sidebar to set default values, rearrange or add sections, headings, and checklists, and include any instructions or placeholders your team needs. You can also set a cover or icon to visually distinguish entries created from this template. Notion saves changes automatically, so there's no separate Save button to hunt for. A quick tip: edits to a template affect new pages created from that template going forward. They don't retroactively change existing entries. If you want to preview your changes, return to the New arrow and select the template to spin up a fresh page and make sure everything looks right. That's it. You used Google to find Notion, logged in, opened the database menu via the arrow next to New, accessed the three-dot menu, and edited the template to match your workflow.